In this video, I'm going to show you how to close positions in cTrader Mobile. Now to do this, first you want to go to the Trade tab at the bottom left, so tap on this button, and then from here up top you can see by default it's going to open your watch list, but then the second tab is going to be positions. So you want to tap on positions, and then over here you're going to see all your currently open positions. You can scroll down or up to see them, and then you can either tap on the X button at the very right of the position you want to close. So as you can see next to net PNL, there's the X button. You can tap on that, and from here, as you can see, there we go, it's going to close it, and it says position closed. Or at the very bottom, you can see it says close position over here, and then if you tap on this as well, it's going to basically allow you to close multiple positions at once, the ones that match the following criteria, and then you can go and select the direction over here, and then the symbols as well, and you can just tap on close positions, and of course tap on yes, and it's going to close all the positions which match criteria, which is quite convenient. So that's how to close positions. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.